So if you want to create tasks like a pro using Google Tasks in 2026, yeah, it's not just about adding random to-dos. Once you do it the right way, your entire workflow becomes way more organized and easier to manage. First, start with a clean task list. Instead of mixing everything together, create separate lists like work, personal, or study. Now, when you create a task, write it as an action. Instead of vague notes like project, write something like finish project report draft. Next, always add a due date right away. This helps you stay on track and prevents tasks from getting forgotten. If a task is big, break it into subtasks. This makes everything feel easier and helps you track progress step by step. Now, set recurring tasks for things you do often, like daily study or weekly reviews. This saves time and keeps you consistent. Next, reorder your tasks based on priority. Put urgent or important tasks at the top so you always know what to do first. You can also turn emails into tasks in Gmail and view everything in Google Calendar so your schedule stays connected. And that's it. If you create tasks this way in Google Tasks, you'll stay organized, focused, and way more productive every day.